Welcome viewers to today's roundup of India's performance at the Tokyo Olympics. What an unbelievable day today for India. This Mirabai Chanu becoming the silver medalist for India in today's Olympics, and indeed historic moment for all our Indians here. Unbelievable thing, and to start Olympics on such a wonderful note for India with a silver medal. Mirabai, the girl from Manipur, has not just made us proud, she's put India on the map of the world sports. So let's all celebrate this moment here, and hats off to Mirabai Chanu for her wonderful performance. She lifted 202 kilos, and that kick-started India's performance today in the Olympics with a silver medal. So Mirabai has not just inspired all of us here, but she's also inspired a generation of athletes to come, a generation of weightlifters to come. I'm sure that after Mirabai's splendid performance in the Olympics, a lot more young athletes who are watching this on TV would pick up weightlifting as a sport, and I'm sure that it will pick up in the years to come. So brilliant performance by Mirabai Chanu, and the very fact that Northeast has been contributing to so many medals for India, it is indeed a proud moment, and it is a great time to recognize the efforts of the Northeast athletes as well. So hearts out to everybody at Manipur, at Mizoram, at the whole of Northeast. Great performance, and it's fantastic to see again Mirabai coming with a silver. Talking about the shooting team, unfortunately we didn't perform that quite well in shooting as far as our expectations were concerned. Saurabh Chowdhury was the only silver lining for India in today's shooting. Saurabh Chowdhury, who finished 7th and qualified for the finals. So great performance by Saurabh, who did really well to ensure that the Indian flag is still shining somewhere in the shooting arena. But hope still not lost. We have a lot more shooters to come, a lot more chances to come for India to clinch a medal in shooting. But unfortunately, we didn't see Abhishek Verma quite replicating the performance of Saurabh Chowdhury in the 10-meter air rifle pistol. Ella Vinale and Apurvi Chandela in the 10-meter air rifle also couldn't quite manage a place in the finals. Unfortunately, they came short in the qualification stages. But we are quite sure that Ella Vinale has a lot to learn, and she will surely come back stronger in the next games as well as in the next performances to come. She is world number 1. She has a lot of experience, a lot of pedigree, and quite sure that she will put this performance behind her back and of course come back all guns blazing the next time. Talking about badminton, Satvik Sairaj, Ranik Reddy and Chirag Shetty were brilliant. They defeated the Taiwanese duo of Lee and Wong 21-16, 16-21 and 27-25 in badminton. They were third seeds. So this is great signs for India. Of course, everybody had hopes from PV Sindhu, but these two shuttlers have also shown, and they have punched their weight around, and they've done really well to clinch a victory against the third-seeded. Much inspired victory this against the likes of Lee and Wong. And well done Satvik, and well done Chirag. We hope you continue your performance. We hope you continue moving up the qualification stages, and again get us a medal in the men's doubles as well. So that would be a wonderful medal to have in badminton if hopefully they do go ahead. Sai Praneeth unfortunately lost out in his group match against Zimmerman Misha, straight sets 17-21, 15-21. Sai is again a very experienced shuttler, unfortunately came short, but I mean, just to play the Olympics itself is inspiring. Many people talk about the fact that we don't quite do well in the Olympics or are very hard on the athletes, but we need to understand that to reach even at that stage itself is a great achievement. So unfortunate that for Sai. Something that's very positive for India was the hockey team. PR Shrijesh, I mean, he's an experienced stalwart for India, legend. कई सालों से goalkeeping कर रहे हैं for Indian national team, the captain for the team as well. Fantastic work from PR Shrijesh. He did really well, and a 3-2 victory against New Zealand was a very closely fought game, and did really well there, PR Shrijesh, in the end to pull out a few spectacular saves, and that helped India clinch a very nerve-wracking 3-2 win against New Zealand. Not just about the very fact that Indian men's team performed well. Unfortunately, the women's team, who were looking really solid till 1-1 against Netherlands until the end of the second half, unfortunately got lost to them by a margin of 5-1. Netherlands really did well, to come back harder. But I'm sure the women's team have a few more league games left, and I'm sure that they will come back stronger in the games to come. talking about the archery team, they lost 6-2 in the quarterfinals. They won the first round against Taiwan and unfortunately lost 6-2. The Indian mixed archery team, Jadhav and Kumari, who are playing for the first time in the mixed archery, so unfortunately वो लोग they lost the game 6-2 से वो लोग हारे और वो भी कोरिया के सामने. सो कहीं ना कहीं एक तरह से हम देखा जाए तो ये बिल्कुल बेहतरीन परफॉर्मेंस था इंडियन मिक्स्ड आर्चरी टीम का. दे डिफीटेड ताइवान, बट उसके बाद कोरिया जो जाना माना टीम है आर्चरी में और कई इट्स अ वेरी पॉपुलर टीम एंड अगेन वेल डन फ्रॉम कोरिया. सुमित नागल इन टेनिस वन अगेंस्ट डेनिस इस्टोमिन. उज्बेकिस्तान के डेनिस इस्टोमिन को सुमित नागल ने 6-4, 6-7, 7-6, 6-4 के स्कोर से हराया और ये बहुत ही बेहतरीन विक्ट्री यहाँ पे इंडिया के टेनिस प्लेयर सुमित नागल को, क्योंकि सुमित नागल ये कई अरसों से टेनिस खेल रहे हैं और यहाँ पे उन्होंने बेहतरीन तरीके से डेनिस इस्टोमिन को उज्बेकिस्तान का हराया 6-4, 7-6 उन सेकेंड सेट हारे थे वो और उसके बाद तीसरा सेट वो 6-4 के स्कोर लाइन से जीते. सो सुमित नागल वेल डन. कहीं ना कहीं आगे जाके देर विल बी टफर ओपोनेंट्स, बट वी आर क्वाइट श्योर कि सुमित नागल कैन होल्ड गन्स एंड हेल्प इंडिया टू गेट टू अनदर मेडल इन द अपकमिंग इन द करंट टोक्यो ओलंपिक्स. Talking about Manika Batra and Suritra Mukherjee, they also reached the second round of the women's singles in table tennis. A fantastic performance, a great comeback by Suritra Mukherjee to win in the table tennis. और बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से वो खेले वहाँ पे और they won and they reached the second round. Sushila Devi though unfortunately lost out in judo. 48 किलोज में वो पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे थे एंड सुशीला देवी जिनसे काफ़ी उम्मीद थी पूरी भारत को और वो अनफॉर्चुनेटली हार गए इन द 48 किलोज. सो अनफॉर्चुनेटली सुशीला देवी लॉस्ट आउट. वाइल कृष्णन जो बॉक्सिंग में थे वो 32 राउंड ऑफ 32 में 69 किलोज का जो ये रहता है बाउट उसमें हार गए. मेंसा ओकाजवाका ऑफ जापान उनके साथ हारे वो और बहुत ही क्लोज मैच था वो इन टर्म्स. विकास कृष्णन काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस बॉक्सर है लेकिन इस तरह से उनके प्रतिद्वंदी जो थे मेंसा ओकाजवाका ऑफ जापान उन्होंने थोड़े आसानी से उनको हरा दिया 0-5. लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं बॉक्सिंग में अभी भी उम्मीद है. काफ़ी और बॉक्सर्स अभी भी बाकी है इंडियन टीम को रिप्रेजेंट करते हुए और कहीं ना कहीं देयर इज एन उम्मीद दैट इंडिया को और एक मेडल जीतने की उम्मीद है बॉक्सिंग में. टॉकिंग अबाउट रोइंग, अर्जुन लाल जट और अरविंद सिंह 5th they finished in the men's lightweight double sculls. Did really well there. Rowing is a very tough sport. It's great to see that India has some representation in rowing. So a fantastic performance by Arjun Lal and Arvind Singh to have finished 5th, but they could not reach the semi-finals and they have a chance still in the repechage to come back and have a chance to reach the semi-finals. So that was what India's performance was. Historic performance. Mirabai Chanu with a silver, the Indian hockey team winning, the shuttlers winning, and also the very fact that Surita Mukherjee and we had Sumit Nagal as well as Manika Batra reaching the second rounds of table tennis and tennis respectively. So kahin na kahin it was a mixed day for India and repechage basically एक और मौका मिलता है रोवर्स को आगे क्वालिफाई होने के लिए. सो वो आउट नहीं होते इनिशियल राउंड्स में, उन्हें और एक मौका मिल जाता है यहाँ पे और दे विल गेट अनदर अपॉर्चुनिटी टू क्वालिफाई थ्रू दैट फॉर द सेमीफाइनल. सो एक और मौका है यहाँ पे हमारे रोवर्स को. लाइट वेट डबल स्किल्स के जो टीम है अर्जुन लाल जट और अरविंद सिंह को एक और मौका मिलता है. और कल का स्केड्यूल भी काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है. वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ मैचेस लाइंड अप. वी विल बी पुटिंग इट ऑन आवर पेज एज वेल. कीप फॉलोइंग आवर पेज फॉर रेगुलर अपडेट्स. ऑल्सो अनफॉर्चुनेटली आज का दिन आप देखोगे तो शूटिंग वॉज अनफॉर्चुनेट फॉर अस. शूटिंग में उस तरह का परफॉर्मेंस नहीं था जो जिस तरह का उम्मीद था शूटिंग में. कहीं ना कहीं हमने ये भी देखा कि सौरभ चौधरी जो है वो फाइनल पहुंच चुके हैं. एक और मौका है इंडिया के एक और मेडल के लिए यहाँ पे. सौरभ चौधरी जो अभी फाइनल पहुंचे लेकिन अभिषेक वर्मा, एलेविनेल और अपूर्वी चंदेला उस तरह का परफॉर्मेंस नहीं कर पाए. सो लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट, बट फॉर नाउ सल्यूट टू मीराबाई चानू फॉर विनिंग द सिल्वर at the Tokyo Olympics. Thank you.